Haunted places in Jamaica PT1. Before the 1700s, the Spaniards built flat bridge with logs that was too weak to withstand the pressure from Rio Cabra River. In the 1700s, the slaves rebuilt the flat bridge, which is the most famous and oldest bridge in Jamaica. While building the bridge, dozens of slaves lost their lives doing this dangerous task. There are a lot of myths that the unrest souls of the slaves haunts the bridge to this day. It is believed when the river turns green it will pull in vehicles, or if railings are put to prevent vehicles from going over, the water will destroy the rails. It is believed that mermaids or Riva Mama haunt the bridge. Some motorists claim they even see two bridges while traveling around the Bogwalk Gorge at night. Haunted places in Jamaica PT2. Duppy Church, formerly known as the St. George's Anglican Church, located in Mile Gully, Manchester. The church was abandoned because Duppy used to haunt all the church members. All of the church members are now dead and buried in the churchyard. They are even graves from the 1800s. Reports from taxismen that they have picked up duppies disguising as young females in the area. Community members complain about hearing creepy sounds of organ playing outside the church. Haunted place in Jamaica PT3. Edinburgh Castle, located in St. and that was built by a Scottish doctor that came to Jamaica. His name was Lewis Hutchinson. Any lone person passing by, Hutchinson would fire a single SHOT, or he would invite them in for food, refreshments, and entertainments before unaliving them. He also asked people he purchased, brutalized, and terrorized, who he may dispose of the bodies. They spoke of him drinking the blood of his victims before dismembering them. There was a sinkhole on his estate which became known as Hutchinson's Hole, where the Alaves were forced to throw the bodies. He was captured, tried, found guilty, and hanged in Spanish Town Square in 1773. It is believed that the place is now haunted by Hutchinson victims.